That 3 raised to the power x multiplied by 3 raised to the power x, which is equal to 24. This is in the form of a raised to the power n multiplied by a raised to the power m, which we can transform as a raised to the power n plus m, of which we have 3 raised to the power x plus x. This is equal to 24. So that we're going to have 3 raised to the power 2x. This is equal to 24. Okay. Now, so for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm. Okay. So that we're going to have log 3 raised to the power 2x. This is equal to log 24. Okay. Now, from what we have here, you find that on the left-hand side, log 3 raised to the power 2x. This is in the form of log m raised to the power n, which you can transform as n log m. Okay. So let's apply this property so that we're going to have 2x log 3. This is equal to log 24. Okay. So we divide both signs by log 3, and the same case here by log 3. So that now 2x, this is equal to log 24 over log 3. 24 can be expressed as 8 multiplied by 3. Okay. So of which 8, this 8 we can transform it as 2 raised to the power 3. Okay. 2 raised to the power 3. So that 24 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power 3 times 3. Okay. So that we'll have log 2 raised to the power 3 times 3. Divide everything by log 3. Okay. Now from what we have here, log 2 raised to the power 3 times 3. This is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can transform as log a plus log b. Okay, so let's apply this property so that we're going to have 2x is equal to log 2 raised to the power 3 plus log 3. Okay, so this divide by log 3, and also here divide by log 3. Okay, simplify here, we'll have 2x, this is equal to log 2 raised to the power 3 can be expressed as 3 log 2 divided by log 3 plus 1. Okay. Now, which we can write as 2x is equal to 1 plus, this is 3 log 2 divided by log 3. Okay. Now, from what we have here, we can divide both signs by 2. Okay. By 2. Okay. But if you check here, so that x is equal to 1 plus, this is 3 log. Now, log 2 divided by log 3, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Okay. So let's apply this property so that we're going to have log 2 to base 3 divided by 2. Okay. So this is the value of x. Okay. So let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Okay. If you recall, we had that 3 raised to the power x multiplied by 3 raised to the power x. This is supposed to give us a value of 24. Okay. Which is basically 3 raised to the power 2x, which is equal to 24. So let's substitute the value of x so that we're going to have 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by the value of x, which is 1 plus 3 log 2 to base 3, divide everything by 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 24. Okay, so let's simplify here so that we're going to have 3 raised to the power 1 plus 3 log 2 to base 3. This is equal to 24. 3 raised to the power 1 plus 3 log 2 to base 3. This is in the form of a raised to the power n plus m, which we can transform as a raised to the power n multiplied by a raised to the power m. Okay, so let's write it in this form. We're going to have 3 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3 log 2 to base 3. Okay, this is supposed to give us a value of 24. Okay, now from what we have again here, you find that 3 raised to power 3 log 2 to base 3, this is in the form of m raised to power log a to base m, which is basically a, okay? So let's apply this property so that you're going to have 3 raised to power, this is the same thing as log 2 raised to power 3 to base 3. This is equal to 2 raised to power 3. So let's substitute this 2 raised to power 3 back to equation so that we're going to have 3 raised to power 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 24, okay? So if you say 2 raised to power 3, this is the same as 8. So this is basically 3 times 8, which is equal to 24, okay? So 3 times 8, this is equal to 24, which happens to be equal to 24. So the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, and that affirms that the value of x, okay, that affirms that the value of x satisfies the equation, okay? The value of x satisfies the equation. So follow the steps, and if you have not subscribed, kindly like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.